Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Dre Hayes, aka Abdurrahim, aka Mr. Headlight, and I'm extremely excited to bring you guys today's project, a new beautiful 2008 Infiniti Fx-35. These headlights retail for $274.97. I was able to do a full headlight restoration on this vehicle in under 1 hour for less than $100. That's right, guys, for under $100 you can have a full headlight restoration just like this. And I know one thing, you guys are going to be ecstatic. You are going to love the work that you guys see here, man. Give me a call, area code 786-438-8685. Mr. Headlight. Hope to help you guys out soon. Peace.